My people, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video, guys, we're doing something pretty cool. At least I think it's pretty cool. If you did not see from the title, we are slapping spacers on the 570. Here's the 570, guys. It's still like super duper dirty from the last ride when we went to Outback. Very good time. Go check that video out if you have not seen it already. But I've been talking about these spacers for probably like the past 2 videos. They finally came in the mail. They're HDM off-road. I got them off of eBay. I think it was like about $100, something like that, give or take. They're 1.5 inch spacers. So I mean, being realistic, I think that by the time I put the spacers on, they're gonna probably be by the outside of these pucks right here. So that's what I'm hoping for. We're gonna see how it looks. But first, we're actually gonna wash the 4-wheeler, guys, because it's actually like super duper dirty. And you know, it's better to work on a clean 4-wheeler than a dirty 4-wheeler. So we're gonna get that cleaned and washed up. So we're about to fire it up, warm it up. We're gonna get the pressure washer and all the stuff that we need to wash it. And excuse the mustache, guys. I've actually been trying to grow it out. You know, it's a little work in progress. But we're gonna come back in here, jack it up, put the spacers on it, and let's see how this bad boy turns out. So let's do it. All right, guys, we're in the garage. We got our impact, our spacers, a little jack right here, and here's the Sportsman. All right, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna measure the height. I don't think it should change anything, but I'm gonna measure the height just in case. I'm gonna measure the width of how it sits now. Let you guys get a good view of it so you can see how much difference it'll be once it's with the spacers. All right, so if we measure the height of it from the bottom, I put this for reference. It's right about 38 inches. So 38 inches for the height, and the width from edge to edge, I would say, it took me a while to see it, but there we go. It's about 51.5. So 38 inches height, 51.5 width. So we're gonna start off with the front. Got the jack right here. Gonna jack up the front, take off the wheels, put a spacer on, and we'll see where we're at. So let's do it. I might actually need a block or something. It might be too high. Let me see if I can find anything. All right, I put two by 6, no, 2 by 8 right here. So there we go. All right, it shouldn't move. Make sure you're parked. Have your parking brake on and start taking off the wheels. So honestly, the spacers should go right on, I think. Ooh, perfect fit. And these lug nuts go on to the old studs, I think. So now you need to find a socket that'll fit these nuts. Oh, shoot. And that's it, ladies and gents. It is on. Ooh, I'm excited. All right, so the spacers are on. Wheels next. So So these wheels and tires are not necessarily light. I think the tires are like 45 pounds, so they're pretty heavy. Oh shoot guys, it's actually pretty wide. It's actually kind of exactly where I had said it was. So this one, the back outline goes to about right here where this little triangle is. So in this one, instead of it being right here where this triangle is supposed to be, it's actually on the other side of the triangle. So it is about that. I want to say 1.5 inches, maybe an inch. But I'm gonna change the other side, and we're gonna see how it like sits with both spacers on. So it's honestly looking really, really sick so far, but we gotta finish up the other side, and then we'll get an idea of how it's gonna sit, how wide. Woo, I'm excited, guys. Perfect. And now the wheel. Ugh. And this is how it sits. Oh God, it is wide. Woo, boys. Oh, we gotta get a tape measure. I wanna see if it's that like 3-inch wide difference with the 1.5 spacer on each side, or if it's like only like 2 inches. But dude, that is a big difference. It's the back. The front pokes out so much more. Oh, that looks so freaking sick. Oh, we gotta do the back. Oh, guys, that looks good. Where's the tape measure? I gotta get that. So we have the tape measure on there now. From edge to edge. And it is actually reading, come on, focus on it. 53.5. So it was 51.5, so it is exactly 2 inches wider. Like I said, I did think there was gonna lose about 1/2 inch on each side. So it's approximately about 1 inch wider on each side. That looks really, really good. I'm trying to figure out if I should have put 2 inches on it now instead. Like, it looks good, but what if I would have put wider ones? Drop down in the comments if you guys think that we should go wider or keep it just like this. That looks really, really, really freaking sick. So we're gonna start on the back now and move everything to the back. So, ooh, that looks sick. All right, let's do it. All right, now looking at it from this perspective. Ooh, look at this, boys. I got a ripped boot. That can't be good. Crap. You guys are witnessing it first with me. I got a ripped boot. Might need new axles. I don't know. Anyways. We'll worry about that later. Looking at the stance, I think the front actually might be wider than the rear. That's actually like really, really weird. I don't understand why. Or it might be because it's up in the air still. Not too sure. We're gonna do the other side, and that should be it. Ooh. Yeah, that looks really, really good. All right, let's do this side. And ladies and gents, we are done. That was kind of scary. And here she sits, ladies and gents, with all spacers on all corners. Wow, that actually looks really freaking good. Holy crap. Woo, boy, that looks hot. So I've gotten a lot of mixed reviews. People saying run spacers, don't run spacers, run spacers, don't run spacers, run spacers, or don't run spacers. I've gotten a whole bunch of mixed reviews. A lot of people saying, you know, to do it, you know, why not? It makes it look nice. And a lot of people saying, you know, don't do it. You know, you're gonna put a lot of strain on, you know, a lot of the components in your suspension and stuff like that. So I've kind of been like on, you know, the mixed feeling about it. But I'm actually gonna take it, you know, see how it performs and see if, you know, it doesn't affect anything, you know, performance-wise, you know, mechanically. And if it does, we'll probably just end up taking them off. I mean, either way, it looks really good with them. But I mean, either way, it looks really good without them too. So I really like the way it looks now. And hopefully, you know, it's not like a big issue for me because I really like the way it looks. So let me actually pull this out so we can see it in better light. Ooh, it feels like, honestly, first thoughts, it feels less stable. Oh God. Oh God. The first few feet that I moved it felt kind of unstable. I don't know why. But it looks really, really freaking good. Holy crap. Dang, that looks pretty tight. Cut the wheel a little bit. There we go, boys. Woo! She looks good. Now, changing them and paying attention to my axles and stuff, I've noticed I have a ripped boot. Can't really tell, but it's my boot is ripped right there, which is, you know, kind of unfortunate. I don't know if I can run it like that. Leave down in the comments if it's okay to do it or not. We're probably gonna have to get a new axle for it, but right now as it sits, boys, does it look really, really good. Give you a whole walk around. It gave me about 2 inches wider compared to stock. And it looks super freaking sick, guys. But that'll be the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave down in the comments what you thought about the spacers and your experiences or your stories if you do happen to have any. And let me know what you think and what should I do? You know, keep them, take them off, rock them, you know. Leave it down in the comments, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel. We have a lot of cool content coming for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, because if you don't, you're a half-sender. Catch you in the next one, guys, and peace.